What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we're doing some work for a client. We got to put together a gazebo, so that's what we're working on today. Nothing crazy, just normal things that we do every day, but this time it's a different side of town. We are by the beach area, so we're gonna make sure we got everything done like we always do. It's kind of cold out, but not too much. The weather has been getting a little bit better, so I'm gonna show you guys what we're working on. Check it out. This is my partner over there. We're working on the gazebo. So we already got the structure up, so we're gonna finish it up and wrap it up. So I'm gonna put you guys here. Later on I'll move it, but I think this is the perfect spot for the perfect angle. Yup, that will do it justice. So yeah, let's do it. Let's finish. This is pretty much it for the project. We got everything done and secure. The legs are secure in the ground, and this was a 12 by 16. Here's a full picture of the finished project. If you watched the video, please subscribe, drop a like and a comment.